good. It's a mess in here. I knew I should have had the motorhome serviced.
Just come on out of there. The cameras are almost on and the show's starting.
All right, I'll be right there.
I'm Olivia Perez.
And I'm Tim Baldwin, hosts of Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy, brought to you by the great folks at Amana brand Heating and Air Conditioning.
Normally, we travel the country to talk to homeowners about how to make smarter decisions for their heating and cooling systems.
But not today. No, the motorhome isn't cooperating, which is actually kind of funny.
Really?
Today's episode was supposed to be about the need for regular maintenance on your home's heating and cooling system.
Right. Except our motorhome broke down in front of Sylvia and Todd's house, and we were going to talk to them about regular maintenance on their HVAC system. But instead, Tim's lack of regular maintenance on our motorhome kind of drives the point across a little bit better.
Can say that again. Your home's heating and cooling system is very complex, so it needs regular maintenance, just like this baby. Maybe even more so.
Regular maintenance will help protect your home's heating and cooling system, allowing it to run at the peak performance you paid for and be available when you need it most.
Now, unfortunately, most people think that their home's heating and cooling system will just run forever without any care or maintenance, so...
Think about it. When was the last time you had regular maintenance scheduled for your system? How often do you think it should occur?
Hey, don't look at me.
Your local independent Amana brand dealer is the one who will know what maintenance schedule is best for you, and following it can help you inexpensively head off disasters like this.
Yeah, I think you're exaggerating this just a bit. This is not a disaster. This is just a minor inconvenience.
It's a disaster. Now, get back to work. We've got a show tomorrow.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. I wonder if Amana brand makes motorhomes.
Me too.
Amana.